The launch date for the affordable iPhone SE 2020 has become known. There is new information about the budget iPhone SE 2020, more precisely, about the start of its sales. According to information from the JD Online platform, sales begin from May 1st to 10, that is, the smartphone will be announced before the end of this month, as previously there was information. Most likely, it will be presented 2 weeks before the official start of sales. iPhone SE 2020 is now available. Although there is still a little time left before the presentation, and Apple itself has never officially shown a smartphone, we already know almost everything about the new product. As is usually the case with new smartphones, it will be based on the latest Apple A13 Bionic chipset paired with 3GB of RAM, and there will also be 3 options for internal memory to choose from: 64GB, 128GB and 256GB. The smartphone will be available in 3 colors. The price of the new product will be $399. Recall that we previously published the official iPhone SE 2020 image, which appeared on the Apple website in Germany.